Guys, I tried asking a kiss for you guys, but he doesn't want. Sorry. You don't want to. I swear. You don't want to.
Nah, don't do that.
Guys, say you don't want to kiss me. Jalen. Spam, please. Spam, please, Panda.
How does your lip gloss get on my arm, bro?
I ain't seen it. Your eyes, bruh. Ha! Good luck, so go high. I was big.
Yo, bro. Bro, my eyes ain't that bad, bro. What? That's what Colombia need. Yes, it's in your tree, panel. Go more, Sava. Come.
I love you guys, shame. He's always strong. So, okay, guys. You can't always get what you want, you know?
Yo.
What's up?
Yes, bro. Love me, girl. I want to tell our parents.
Ow!
You guys look tired.
We are, actually. We had a long day.